Sweets is an integral part of Indian cuisine. This is one such easy and interesting recipe to make called Karanji, Gugra or Gujiya, anything you can call it. So let's just make it. I'm going to start with making the dough first. 1 cup plain flour, 2 tablespoons of semolina, 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee. So I'm going to add 2.5. And I'm going to mix all these ingredients. And I'm going to add water and make the dough. Make a soft dough, otherwise it's going to dry out after 15-20 minutes. The dough is ready. Just cover it and keep it aside for 15-20 minutes. While the dough is resting, I'm going to quickly make the filling. Desiccated coconut, half a cup. Powdered sugar, just add 2 tablespoons first. If you feel the need to add a little extra, we can do so later. Raisins, 1 tablespoon cashew nut pieces, 1 tablespoon almond pieces, half a teaspoon cardamom powder, and 1 tablespoon poppy seeds. Let's mix everything properly. And the filling is ready. So let's start shaping the karanjis. I'm going to make small balls of the dough. And keep them covered with a wet cloth at all times. And I'm going to take one and start rolling it. Not a very thin puri. I'm going to cut it with a ring so that I get all the karanjis of equal size. I'm going to apply a little bit of water on the edge. I'm going to take a teaspoon of the filling and then stick them together. Seal it properly. And now I'm going to shape the edge. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press on the edge and then fold it inside. And the tip that comes out, I'm going to press again and fold it. So continue doing this till you finish the entire karanji. And this excess edge, just remove it. In this way, let's make another one. A batch of karanjis is ready to fry. Medium hot oil. Don't be in a hurry to fry them, otherwise the outer covering is going to taste raw. On slow flame, I'm going to let them fry. Flip them over. Fry the karanjis till they are golden brown on low flame. They're nice and golden brown and I'm going to get them out. Certain dishes are synonymous to Diwali. Our moms used to take enough effort so that we could enjoy it. So let's continue the tradition and do try this at home. Bye-bye.